Hi friends, welcome to Savi'S Idea Aroma in the kitchen segment. Today I am going to prepare bitter gourd sabji, which is very good for diabetes. So let us see the preparations. Firstly, cut the karela into small pieces or bitter gourd into the small pieces. Then take this bitter gourd and put it into a pan, adding 1 glass of water to just cook it, and add some half spoon of salt and add some half spoon of turmeric powder and cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So now it's cooked. So now I'm going to drain this and keep it aside. And the drained water, you can drink the drained water since it will help you to control the blood sugar level. So please don't waste it. Now keep the pan, add 1 cup of oil or as per the quantity of the bitter gourd you have, because it needs more oil. Then add mustard 1 tablespoon. Once it starts splattering, you can add the garlic. If you add garlic more is also good. And also you can add onion. So next we have to add the turmeric half spoon. Then add the bitter gourd which I have kept drained without water. Just fry it in the oil. Go on stirring it. Then add chilli powder. I have added 2 spoons. If you require more, you can add it. Now add 1 or 2 spoons of brown sugar or jaggery to remove the bitterness. If you want, you can add very less also, and also add salt accordingly and fry till golden brown. So this is the time we have to stop it. Now it's ready to serve. So if you have diabetes, please have the bitter gourd twice or thrice a week so that it will help you for controlling the blood sugar level. Thank you for watching.